wazilaya nangugogo ingabumama ngokuya kwi-podcast kaDokotela Ncekeza eku-YouTube ayoshare istory sakhe. Kubhejwe yena Nkosi yami. Ngcono ngithi ngiyashare. Uyena lo gogo ubhejiwe. Akubhejwanga wena. Bakwethu. Sebebodwa bathi sisu namanyala i-dignity yakhe nike namuzwa nethu nendaba ne-dignity yena lo mama engabe lokho khona lapha ke wakhuluma khona wathi hey yena she values lento ye-dignity, she values it, it's important to nike namuzwa bafethu khona ngempela lapho khona ebhejwa ngumfana. Ningenaphi nina? Kubhejwe yena, hayi nina. Nekhofonoza yakhe, hayi yenu. Babodwa bathi hayi kaza abasukulu bakhe bathini. Hey khona ingane seke nayibone umfana noma intombazane yathi ingumzukulu wakhe eninyanyile. Cha, ukugijima nina phambili bakwethu. Hey, yini bafowethu sifuna ukuthatha izinto ezikhulunywa ngabantu esingabazi nje engeke ehlanganise nabo, esingakaze silwe futhi nabo, esingakaze sixabane, esingenayo ibeef nabo, abangakaze bakhulume ngathi, abangakaze bathi nxa kithi bese siyazithatha sifuna ukuzenza personal, sifuna ukuba controller ukuthi mabathini bangathini. Noma kungaze kuthiwa ke ukhokheliwe lapha kwaDokotela Ncekeza podcast ekwa YouTube, noma kuthiwa ukhokheliwe uqamba manga, ningenaphi singenaphi hlanganaphi sebenza ama-video abantu sebeziveza ukuthi bona banama values kangakanani, i-dignity bona hey dignity yabo bayithatha serious kangakanani, sebeyiveza bengcono. Uke washo logogo ukuthi uyilikholwa lapho, uyakholwa labanye ithiwe exchange ukuthi manje bathi akuyo kwa YouTube kuyovalwa leya podcast ngoba ihlezi letha abantu ababhejiwe. Ningenaphi? Uyayenforceeni uDokotela Ncekeza we-YouTube podcast ukuthi nibuke i-podcast yakhe? Uyanforce yini? Unayo ne-TikTok account, ukenforce enti bukani i-TikTok account senithi akuvalwe. Hayi niyabhora niyabhora. Abanye benu nizenze ngathi ningcwele niyakhona, anikeke nilibone nalelo Zulu niyesogweni nina masikhona isoko siyobe sisha nani. Bajampe bafuna abantu kuyo controller into zabantu. Nihlanganaphi? Hawu bakithi kwabhejwe yena enduni yakhe, hayi yenu. Umfana walifaka lathi shiqe lagcwala kweyakhe induni, hayi kwenu bafowethu. Hayi suka nisiyeke man, hayi suka demet, sesophilaphi? Hayi man, kumnandi emhlabeni makunje kukhona ibhedi, ikhohlwakali, ifebe, iphingi nabanye abaserious. Ngeke sibe serious sonke, never, ngeke kwenzeke. Ake nisiyeke man, into nento nabantu bayithandayo. Njengoba uDokotela Ncekeza enama-followers amangaka kwa-TikTok nakwa-YouTube, yingoba labantu abamfollowayo bathanda yona lento ayenzayo. Nina ningayithanda imblockeni ke phumani kuye, akaphoqanga ingane zenu futhi zibuke la. Hayi man suka, hayi.
Kunalamanye ama-podcast lo ukuthi kumele sithole i-date yawo ukuthi barekhoda nini, nethi singene nje ke sibabamba ngenduku hood shaya umuntu abone nge-undersayigcwele angathi ukuthi kwendekeni, ngoba into abakhulumako tiyalimata. Sinabantwana la eSouth Africa mara bakhuluma into etingakabhadli. yabona gogo ungiphoxile gogo bengithemba ukuthi iKZN inabo gogo laba right labaxoxo labafundisekile labasikhulisako perhaps kepha wona into okukhulumako athi wow labangathi gogo beka lapha ku podcast akhuluma ukuthi yena bekathakatha bamthola athakatha kwavela lomunye umfana wafika umlahlisa umthwalo athi no ufuna ukulahlisa umthwalo umthakathi siyakwazi usigogo wena awuthakathi nedi ubhadelwe yabo and utawushiselwa indolo ongayadi ngoba abantu abavani nemthakathi wena uvuma la izidlangalaleni ukuthi umthakathi ngoba ubhadaliwe ngoba le podcast yathi usibabhadala lapha kwafika le inyanga naye yathi no yona ayikunika imbida na ugula nedwana ufika ulahla umthwalo and then uba right ukhotha impesi ulahla umthwalo perhaps so lokho kuyingodi kakhulu gogo besicabanga ukuthi wena kumele usabe abantu lobakhulisako batukulu bomakhelwane yabo ukuthi uma ngakhuluma lokho mabangibona bathi ngeke bakushaye kepha kumele kube nebantu lobasabako empilweni so gogo hayi akusiwawo lokwendile angathi kumbe awunamali nazi isikotela sefish ngazama gogo mara
Ayinye inkinga ke la podcasters sondelani ngala podcasters mase le podcast ngicela ungaphawuli ngibiza ama podcasters ngoba nami ngomunye wabo abafethu kuyonakala kwi-industry lo mfolo lo podcast lo sibiza ngodokotela Ncekeza I think uyadinga to be called into order lo walama video lawo
ngabhejwa ngumfana engibambe ngithakatha engithola nginqunu ngisegcekeni lomuzi ephuma etshalweni edakiwe ebusuku ngabo 12 wathi ngibiza abantu njengamanje kathi yima ingane yami ngingenza noba yini ingane yami ngenza noba yini uthini gogo uthi noba yini ngathi noba yini ingane yami noba yini msukulu wathi ngifuna inguza ke nginika inguza ngibhebe manje ngathi awungane yami ngingakunika noba ngu500 okungcono noba 1000 wathi angifuni imali wathi umfana ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ukubhebha umthakathi kunjani ngathi kulungile ke ngane yami kulungile ithatha inguza yangibhebhi ingane ipipi likhulu lisho ligcwale yamnandi ingane
wachama
ngacha yimini ezesengiyibamba uthakatha ngakugcina ngelo langa
I know ukuthi imali siyayidinga kodwa angeke sikwazi ukufuna imali at the expense of the dignity of our dignity as black people ayenze kahle leyo nto I know ukuthi wonke umuntu oyipodcaster knows ukuthi lezi zinto lezamanga lo mjida uyabathenga labantu to come and speak amanga so that azokwazi ukuthola ama-view amaningi ku-YouTube athole imali but into ebuhlungu ukuthi lento ixekela phansi isithunzi nesidima sethu sabantu abamnyama bangazuthi ayikho into esingcono ngayo thina abantu abamnyama phandle kokuthakatha nje khona kuthini kuyena esemfana esemncane kangaka uku-interview ugogo omdala kangaka ekhuluma umsangano onje ekhuluma ngomdavazo and ekhuluma amanga futhi ngoba lento ngamanga lento ukhuluma amanga logogo lona and angeke kwenzeke ukuthi umuntu obekade ethakatha a former witch azoba public kanje atshela abantu kanje ukuthi bekade ethakatha ngoba wazi kahle ukuthi abantu angeke bamkhola ukuthi ukuyekile ukuthakatha ngisho nomndeni wakhe ifamily yakhe ingane zakhe zingamjikela zonke so it's obvious lo muntu unamanga lo khona ugogo omdala ngaka noma abantu bahlanyiswa umjovo weCovid uzokhuluma ngomdavazo phambili komhlaba wonke kanje wasale story asishoyo athi lo mfana wambamba ezothakatha wathi uyabiza umphakathi noma ucela ukuthi makamnikeze umdavazo ikhona indoda ukhona umfana ongabamba umthakathi ugogo ezomthakathi abesethi hayi ngoba ngikubambile ngcono ke unginikeze indunu ngikudavaza akasabi ngani ukuthi pipi lonqamukela phakathi ayikho lento lo mjida ufuna ukwenza imali but at the very same time lento uyenza at the expense of the dignity of us as black people at the dignity of our own indigenous spirituality and our own culture and everything. We're supposed to be proud of ourselves and protect yonke into engethu singabantu abamnyama. Last he was interviewing a girl faking to be a sangoma athi yena akalifaki iphente entumbeni yakhe wonke amadoda azohlola lapha ukuze imithi yakhe iwasebenzele kumele baqale balale naye. Ithini lento lena ngobizo labaphansi nesintu sethu sabantu abamnyama akusiyona inhlamba leyo nto le into our own ancestral calling and our own culture. Kahleni bafowethu ningenzi imali at the expense of us as black people, our dignity as black people. Ayikho lento.
Bafethu, please don't forget to leave us a like and actually subscribe to Mzansi Daily Affairs. Yeah, gonna podcast for yasolisa kancane bafethu, because there was this other video that I saw. People were even saying in the comment section, this is all just pretense and everything lana it's scripted, yabo. Because there was this other episode where this guy actually came forward and then he said that he slept with his whole family members, from his granny to his own daughter, in one day. And all that. Like you can see, some of the things like they are scripted. I don't know, maybe like all of them, but when it got to this old woman here, it's something that is actually now, something that is actually strange now, because when you look at her, she looks like a dignified woman, like someone who is respectable. You can see by just looking at her, and she definitely has kids and grandchildren. And there's one thing that Vusimongo actually mentioned that is very important, that people and she could put her own life at risk and stuff like that. Now, how is the public supposed to look at her if she was really paid something? So you cannot compromise your dignity for money, because money is still definitely gonna pass, but your dignity should stay intact with you. So bafethu ibhlungu kubona le nto lena bafethu, and ibhlungu because it does not only affect her, but it's affecting her family members. And the South Africans are merciless when it comes to you trending. They are merciless people. So yeah, but nonetheless bafethu, thank you for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it a lot. Yeah, thank you for watching till this far.